The search for water on Mars. Due to a recent discovery on the red planet, researchers now believe that there is water on Mars. This could be a big change in the future for the colonization of Mars. Does this water contain life? And what does this mean for the future? Let's find out. Recent discoveries by NASA's Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter and the European Space Agency's Mars Express mission have provided strong evidence that liquid water exists on Mars. SpaceX, like other private space exploration companies, is aware of the recent discoveries of liquid water on Mars made by NASA and the European Space Agency. They have not announced any specific plans to explore the potential liquid water resources on the planet, but their announced mission is to send a Red Dragon spacecraft to Mars, which could have the potential to confirm or disprove the recent discoveries, and possibly even explore the potential for the use of water resources to support human life and fuel rocket engines on the planet. Who do you think will land first on Mars? SpaceX or NASA? Let me know in the comments because I'm very curious what my viewers think of it. The Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter detected the presence of hydrated minerals, known as hydrated salts, on the Martian surface, indicating the presence of liquid water. These salts, known as perchlorates, can keep water in a liquid state even in Mars' extremely cold temperatures, meaning that liquid water is likely to exist near the surface. The Mars Express mission also detected a large underground lake of liquid water under the Martian South Pole. This lake is estimated to be around 20 kilometers wide and is thought to be a subsurface reservoir of liquid water. This discovery of liquid water on Mars is a major breakthrough in the search for life on the red planet. Water is a key ingredient for life as we know it, and the presence of liquid water on Mars increases the chances of finding microbial life on the planet. Additionally, the discovery of liquid water on Mars has important implications for the future of human exploration of the planet. Water is a vital resource for any manned mission to Mars, and the presence of liquid water on the planet could be used to support human life and fuel rocket engines. It's an exciting time for the field of space exploration as we continue to uncover new clues about the potential for life on Mars and the possibility of future manned missions to the red planet. The discovery of liquid water on Mars is a major step forward in our understanding of the planet and the potential for life beyond Earth. So the next time you look up at the night sky and see the red planet, remember that there may be water and even life on Mars. And that is a thrilling thought. It is currently unknown if there is life in the underground lake on Mars. The discovery of the lake was made using radar data, and further observations and analysis will be needed to confirm its existence and characteristics. Even though the presence of liquid water is considered a key ingredient for life as we know it, it does not necessarily mean that life exists in this lake. It is possible that the lake is too salty, too cold, or too irradiated for life to survive. But it remains a promising target for future missions to Mars to explore and study. The discovery of liquid water raises many questions and possibilities that will be explored in the future. Do you find this video interesting and don't want to miss anything about the developments of the red planet? Then subscribe to this channel. Thank you. The discovery of liquid water on Mars is a major breakthrough in the field of astrobiology and space exploration. The detection of liquid water is considered a key ingredient for life as we know it, and the presence of liquid water on Mars increases the chances of finding microbial life on the planet. Additionally, liquid water is a vital resource for any manned mission to Mars, and the possibility of using this resource to support human life and fuel rocket engines is a huge step forward in the possibility of future manned missions to the red planet. This discovery also has the potential to change our understanding of the potential for life beyond Earth, and could have significant implications for the search for life on other planets. The discovery of the underground lake on Mars, which is estimated to be around 20 kilometers wide, is a significant discovery that could be a subsurface reservoir of liquid water, and that could be a valuable resource for future manned missions to the red planet. In summary, the discovery of liquid water on Mars is a big step forward in the field of space exploration and astrobiology, raising many questions and possibilities that will be explored in the future and contributing to a greater understanding of the potential for life beyond Earth. It is currently unknown if there are fish or any other complex forms of life in the underground lake on Mars. While the discovery of liquid water on Mars is considered a key ingredient for life as we know it, it does not necessarily mean that more complex forms of life, such as fish, exist in this lake. The lake is thought to be located deep beneath the Martian surface, and its conditions, such as temperature, pressure, radiation, and chemical composition, may not be suitable for any kind of life as we know it. The lake is also thought to be extremely salty and might not have the necessary environment for life to survive. The discovery of liquid water on Mars is an exciting one and raises many possibilities, but it's important to note that it is still speculative and further observations and analysis will be needed to confirm its existence and characteristics, and to explore the potential for microbial life. The underground lake is a promising target for future missions to Mars to study and explore, but it's too soon to say if there are fish or any other forms of life in the lake. Water is considered a key ingredient for life as we know it, and the search for water on other planets is an important part of the search for life beyond Earth. Currently, there is evidence of water on some of the moons in our solar system, such as Europa and Enceladus, both moons of Jupiter and Saturn respectively. Both moons have subsurface oceans of liquid water beneath their icy crusts and have shown geysers spewing water vapor and ice, and scientists believe that these oceans could potentially host life. In our solar system, other than Earth and the moons previously mentioned, Venus and Titan, the largest moon of Saturn, also have indications of having water in some form. Venus has been found to have water vapor in its atmosphere, and Titan has lakes and seas of liquid methane and ethane. Outside our solar system, scientists have discovered exoplanets that could potentially have water on their surface or in their atmosphere. These exoplanets are called super-Earths and mini-Neptunes, and are considered to be good candidates for hosting water and life. Do you want to know more about Enceladus? Watch my video about this supermoon. I put the link in the description. The recent discoveries of liquid water on Mars, including the detection of hydrated minerals on the Martian surface and the detection of a large underground lake, do not provide direct evidence of past life on Mars. However, they do increase the chances of finding evidence of past or present microbial life on the planet. Water is a key ingredient for life as we know it, and the presence of liquid water on Mars means that the planet had or has the potential to support life. The detection of hydrated minerals, such as perchlorates, on the Martian surface suggests that liquid water was present in the past, and that the conditions for life may have existed at some point in Mars history. Additionally, the detection of methane in the Martian atmosphere, which could be a sign of microbial life, also raises the possibility that life existed on Mars in the past. However, it's important to note that the detection of methane could also have other non-biological explanations. It's also worth noting that while the discovery of liquid water is an exciting development, it's not a direct evidence of past or present life on Mars. The next step would be to analyze the samples collected by NASA's Perseverance rover and other missions and check for biosignatures, indicators of life, such as organic compounds, amino acids, and others. So, all the discovery of liquid water on Mars raises the possibility of past or present life on the planet. It is not direct evidence, and further study and analysis is needed to confirm the existence of past or present life on Mars. This is the end of the video. I have provided you with enough information on this topic. Hope to see you soon. Did you like the video? Don't forget to press the like button. Do you want to stay informed about everything in our universe? Then subscribe to this channel.